Hello guys, now let us discuss question 20. The question is, in a coil of resistance 100 ohms, a current is induced by charging the magnetic flux through it as shown in the given figure. The magnitude of change in the flux through the coil is, the option first is 200, then second is 225, third is 250, and the fourth is 275. So what do you think the correct answer would be? The correct answer is 3 250 WB because let us now here in a solution we know that the EMF is equal to change in flux divided by time. So we can say this is from this formula. Now we can also say that change in flux would be equal to EMF into time. Time can go there. So by just integrating it, the magnitude of change in flux is equal to R into area under current versus the time graph. So we get, as we know that it's 100 into the half into 10. So calculating this all we get 250. So the correct option is